Evening again, viewers. We're just outside the Aguamar apartments in Los Cristianos, and we're going to take a wee walk. This is going to be a very short video. I'm going to show you the Funchal strip as it is just now. It's 8 PM on a Monday night. I've done a lot of walks here, but a few people have asked me to go back to see if any of the bars have changed, and there is a couple of new bars, a couple of new places. Much of it's the same, to be honest with you. Los Cristianos tonight is quite quiet, but there is still a few people out in the bar, so it's going to be a really quick video. If you're staying in the Aguamar, it's a good location, plenty of bars across the road. So that's the Funchal strip across the road. Just down the road on the right hand side we've got the Tenerife, sir. Across the road we've got the Cristianos, sir. So it's a good location. It's across the road. So there's a new fish and chip shop at the end here, and a couple of viewers have asked me to check it out and see if it's open. I've not been in it, hasn't eaten, but I can tell you it's open. I was just round the corner there and I was in the Fox, and I had a wee chicken breast salad and chips on the barbecue. It was nice. So that's round the corner at the Fox. So that's the Tides fish and chip shop. I've spoke to a few people who have been in there. They said it's really nice. Let me know in the comments, have you been in? Would you recommend it? And next door we've got Yella's Bar. We've got a wee quiz on there, I think. It's quite busy in there. It's Yella's Bar. How you doing? Alright?
Are you the Scotty fella that's doing it?
I'm afraid so.
Yeah, thought you are.
Thanks a lot for watching the videos.
Yeah, fully all up, and McMaster and all them.
Oh, great.
Yeah, spot on.
Thanks very much.
Thought it was you, yeah.
Thanks. Are you doing the quiz?
Too right we are.
Are you winning?
Well, you can't have your mobile phone, yeah?
Oh, I'll get banned. I'll get banned. Nice meeting you, mate. Sorry, what was your name?
Lee.
Lee, where are you from?
Well, from Wales, but live in Whitby, North Yorkshire.
Brilliant. Okay. Thanks a lot, Lee. Have a great holiday. Good to meet you. That was nice meeting Lee from Wales. I met quite a few Welsh people actually. Now here is an update for you, and I'm going to do another update in the Hoops Bar shortly. Springer's Bar. So there's a new bar opening here. This is where the Hoops Celtic Bar used to be. There's a new bar opening here. Here we've got the old popular Smiley's Bar. I know a lot of people have been in there many times over the years. So that's Smiley's Bar. Next door we've got the Java Bar, which again has been here for a long time. And next door we have got Sandy's Bar. So if you like a wee book, bookies, not book, but bookies, if you like a wee bet, go in there, speak to Paddy. It's a good wee sports bar. So that's Sandy's Bar there. And then next door we've got the Buccaneer. A few Christmas decorations inside, it's pretty nice. A few people sitting outside as well. Oh hi, how you doing? Hiya. Doing great, how you doing?
Oh brilliant. Well I was so a bit back, I felt.
You fall?
Steps at Chris's.
Oh, you staying at Christian, sir?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Hey, in the living room as well.
In the living room? Have you got one of the rooms that's got the staircase up the stairs?
Yeah, I've not even been up there. I'm walking out of the kitchen.
Yep.
Towards the balcony. Forgot the 2 steps were there. Oh, I'm bruised.
I hope you're okay. Are you having a nice holiday?
Oh, we only come today.
Oh, I came today? Oh, geez, oh. How long are you here for?
Fortnight.
Fortnight?
I can't cope with that. I'll do it again. You forget them steps are there.
Yeah, I know. You need to be careful, I know.
Oh.
I've stayed in the Christian, sir. I was there last month.
Was you?
I was there last month.
Yes, you was. I remember, yeah.
I was there with my dad and my brother.
That's right, yeah.
That's it. Well, thanks very much for watching the channel. Forgot to say that. I really appreciate it.
I was watching you.
Oh, so nice. What's your names, guys?
Carol and Steve, my son.
Carol and Steve, that's your son? Very nice.
Yeah.
Hear your son, that's great. Where are you from?
Manchester Shaw. Shaw near Oldham.
Near Oldham?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Hey. You look after yourself.
Oh,
You're enjoying it, you are.
You too. Pleasure meeting you guys. Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, oh, will do.
This will be up soon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Cheers, guys. Take care. Kevin. Watch your steps.
Yeah, I know.
Take care, mate.
Bye.
See you later. Bye-bye. That was nice meeting a few viewers. I thought this video would just be a minute. I met a few people. That's nice. So we've got YOLO Sports Bar there. They've got one in Las Americas. I passed it last night. It wasn't open. It is a bit quiet just now. A couple of weeks before Christmas. Hopefully things will pick up near Christmas. Got a nice wee Christmas tree there, see it? So that's YOLO Sports Bar. Then we've got the Island Bar next to it as well. A wee cocktail list here as well. So the Island Bar inside's got some nice Christmas decorations. So basically that is the Funchal strip. Pretty quiet, but still quite a few people sitting out. There's the Tenerife that I was talking about there. Uncle Peter and Jack went in there a couple of weeks ago, had some paella, I think. Says it was quite nice. Let me know if you've been in. They sometimes get singers out at the front there as well, so again, they've got some Christmas decorations as well. Makes the place look nicer this time of year, I think. That's Tenerife, sir. And I've just speaking to the guys there from near Oldham, and they were telling me they're staying in the Cristianos, sir. I hope you're okay. Watch your steps in there. So that is the Cristianos, sir, literally across the road. It's a good wee complex, especially in the winter. A lot of the rooms are not air conditioned, so be careful when you're booking it. If it's important to you to have air conditioning, especially in the summer. It's a brilliant location, but I've stayed in it a couple of times. The balconies and the terraces are fantastic. They've got a couple of really good pools as well, one's heated. So it's a nice complex. Just down there, you've got the bus terminus. Round the corner, you've got Chinese. A lot of people tell me this Chinese is really nice. Quite a few people in it actually. I've not been in it myself. I was considering Chinese or Indian today, and I ended up I was in the Fox charging my phone. I had a pint, and then the guy was cooking food in the barbecue, and I just thought, oh, I fancy that. So I ended up having it there. It was nice. So that's a Treasure Chinese restaurant. See if we can show you the menu. Got the menu in a lot of languages. Even with my glasses on, I can't read that menu. Let me know in the comments if you can. So there's quite a few people in. Treasures. Looks nice. Across the road, just up a wee bit, you've got Ye Old English Tea Rooms, a wee place for breakfast as well. Further back, a couple of minutes down the road, down the hill, you've got Harriet's Tea Room for breakfast as well. And just up on the left, we've got the Rimini restaurant, and we've got the Fox. The Buddies bar is never open on a Monday, it's always closed on a Monday. And I was quite disappointed, I actually forgot it was a Monday. I came up here, I was going to go in the Buddies bar and have a pint. The staff are really nice in there. Uncle Jack's favourite. We were in there a few times when I was here, I can tell you that. You always meet somebody from Paisley in the Buddies bar. It used to have a wee history with some fun stuff in the bar. Doesn't it anymore, but you still get Paisley people going in there. So it's always nice to pop in. It's the Rimini restaurant on the left. Hi there, how you doing? I'm afraid I've already had some food. I will come next time, I promise. Okay, thank you. That's the Rimini restaurant. A lot of viewers say it's nice. Let me know if you've been in the Rimini restaurant. Thank you, bye bye. Oh, I felt sorry there, I already had food. So that's the Fox. I'm not going to go right in because they've got music on.
I'm on telly.
You're on telly?
I'm on telly.
I was just telling the guys it's quite a nice meal in here.
Lovely meal, barbecue every night.
That's right, every night, barbecue.
6 o'clock barbecue every night, entertainment about to start very shortly. Tony O tonight, we've got Sunday roast as well, and a quiz on Wednesdays.
Quiz on Wednesdays, I've seen that, yeah, from 2 PM.
Yeah, fabulous.
And
on Saturdays.
And on the barbecue you can do a mixed grill, you can get chicken, sirloin steak, all the different things.
Kebabs, cola and meat.
Do you have anything on it just now?
No.
No? So you had obviously stuff going earlier on. I was just I was doing a wee video for YouTube. I was just telling the viewers there's quite a nice meal in here.
Fabulous.
I would recommend it.
All fresh cut meat.
Yes, thanks very much.
Which one do I meat?
Alright, okay, didn't know that. So you're the...
And I even drink water.
So you're the head chef?
I'm barbecue chef.
Yeah.
Evening.
Okay. Thanks very much, mate. So what was your name? What was your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Kevin here as well.
2 Kevins.
Viewers, always trust the Kevins to give you good service and good food. There you go. So go to the Fox, I'll recommend it. Thanks, Kevin.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
That's the Fox. Louis Surprise, another Kevin. So we've got the Swan there. I can't go in there because we've got live music on just now. And we've got the Buddies bar next to it, which is not open on the Monday, but it's normally open. There's another restaurant. Let me just head across here because the music's too loud. Swan have got a live singer on just now. There's another restaurant that's opened up there, which is looks quite high end. Unfortunately not open just now, so hopefully it'll open another time. Now, I've done another video showing you some wee hidden gems here. And if you're interested in really food and restaurant recommendations, there's a group on Facebook that I'm going to recommend, Los Cristianos Restaurant and Bar Recommendations. Good supporters of the channel, Mark and Sandra run this, and they are the experts. A lot of people ask me about restaurants and I'm not an expert, to be honest with you, I'm really not. So these guys know all the wee hidden gems, they know places that I've never heard of, and they always give me a wee comment and let me know maybe if there's other places that I've missed. So we've got El Brassero here. There's quite a few people in actually. So that's very popular, especially with locals. Just down to the right here, we've got a few other restaurants and bars. As I said, I have done videos down here, but never done them at night. Let's check them out. See if anything's open. I'd be surprised if it was open here because it's quite quiet in general in Los Cristianos tonight. But looks as if there's a few places open here. This place is pretty busy. The wee billboard, it's so dark here I can't see it, I'm afraid. But there's quite a lot of people in there. As I said, I have done a video here before, the Bull and Moon. Obviously a wee hidden gem, regulars coming in, maybe a few locals that live here as well. So, another wee hidden gem. There is a wee restaurant to the side here as well. I know we've got a lot of new viewers on the channel. You've maybe missed some of the earlier videos showing you these places. So I hope you're enjoying. Just something a wee bit different. We started off at a place that everybody knows, the Funchal strip. Everybody knows it. But maybe you don't know these wee places around here. It's about maybe 17, 18 degrees just now, and I've walked all the way from Costa Deque. I've got shorts on, I'm not cold, but easily could have a wee fleece. So if you're coming in December, bring a wee fleece or a cardigan for at night. So there we go, Vasca Taberna, another wee hidden gem. I think there's possibly another wee place there as well, I'm not sure. There's quite a few people in there as well. It goes round the side, I can't really go in. It goes round the side as well. So I'm not sure normally if there's another place open there maybe during the day, not quite sure. Yeah, there is. Sapari. Let me know if you've been in there. Not open just now I'm afraid. But hope you enjoyed the wee trip. Great meeting some viewers, very nice. I hope you've done well on the quiz guys. And be careful with the steps at Christian Sir. Thanks so much for watching. I thought it was going to be a 2-minute video. Sometimes that's what happens, you just start and think this will be 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Ended up a wee bit longer than that, but I hope you enjoyed watching some hidden gems and showing you what the Funchal strip is like as it is today. Thanks for all your support. If you're new to the channel, there's a wee button below the video, just down there, a wee red one that says subscribe. I'd really recommend that you click on that, click the bell for all notifications. What it means is when the channel Scotsman in Tenerife uploads a new video, you do not miss out. You get a wee message saying go and watch this on YouTube right away. It's exciting. Regular viewers, thanks for all your support. Give it a wee thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you've disliked it. Makes no difference. It's still interaction. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one from somewhere else.